I've found these platforms that enables you to generate free and unlimited videos using Veo 3.1, Grok AI, and Seedance 2.0. And guys, these are amazing platforms that are still free. We are going to walk it through together, step by step, on how you can use this, and then you see the quality of the videos that are generated using this platform. So we're going to start from the least to the best. And guys, without much ado, let's get started. So guys, now take a look at this. I created this using this platform. Watch.
Hey, don't worry about them. People should really look out for each other more often. They should. Thanks again.
Beautiful, right? I'm going to show you how you can get to this platform, okay? Just understand the step. The model used here is the VEO model, okay? That is the VEO model. Open the platform, log in with either your temporary email, okay, or your normal email. Like I can see here, you can sign out from here and log in. Great. So if you're using your mobile phone, bring it out and then let's do this, okay? Now, once you sign in, you're going to see this. We are set to have it. This is a welcome page. So you can go ahead and confirm this, right? Now, once you are here, this is what the interface will look like. Beautiful. You've not created anything, right? This is a gallery, what other people are creating using this platform. All right. So we are going to go ahead, and if you click here, you're going to see sign out. So once you are done exhausting your generation here, you can sign out and sign in with another email. That is how you can use this unlimited. All right, awesome. So I'm going to go ahead and give a simple prompt, right? This prompt is not prepared, just a simple prompt for us to see how this platform works. You can try use it to generate. Okay, this is the generate. So you can click this generate to bring out this node, right, where you can type something and then it will start generating. Now remember, this is agent. You can click here to select to Veo. All right, now if you select to Veo, that is the one we are using. It will use the Veo model to generate. Awesome. So we've typed something, click on display. What is here on this part of the screen will automatically be inserted into this other box. You can see this, right? Now at this moment, go ahead and run it. Now once you click on that run, it's going to start generating. All right, now you not say, oh, something went wrong. Don't worry, just refresh from here, and once you refresh from here, go ahead and click start, and to start thinking as the result.
Daniel, can you explain the socioeconomic impact of these equations?
It's not just the numbers, Ms. Davis. It's how we apply them to bridge the systemic gaps in our community.
Beautiful. And that's like 8 seconds. I just gave a random prompt. So for you, you're going to give your own detailed prompt or what you want to generate, that your project, okay? And you need to start generating. Once you are done and you're cool with it, hit download. Now you can see it's giving me in 16:9 aspect ratio. Now how did you get to that? To the part of selecting your aspect ratio. Once you click on this generate, before you start, okay, generating, right? Just select this. Once you select your view, come down, you're going to see advanced settings. Click on it. You're going to see this is Veo 3, right? You're using Veo 3, Veo 3.1, Veo 2. And now look at here, it says video generation has a daily limit. So please pay attention to this part. It's very necessary so that you will not come back and say it's not working. Once you exceed, and they have not stated how many videos you can generate to hit the daily limit. Do you understand? So just generate. Once you hit the daily limit, you switch to another email and then keep generating. Drop me in the comment section what you think about this particular platform. So that being said, this leads us to the next platform. This platform, I'm going to leave the link of all this platform in the description of the video. Okay, so go ahead and try it out yourself. Now this is the name of this platform, right? As of today, we can literally use Grok AI on this platform and even Seedance 2.0 from this platform. So let's see if we can access this model that I just mentioned on this platform. Click on where you have the AI video API. And if you want to generate your images, you click on AI images API. Do you understand? If you want to generate text, maybe you want to generate your prompt, you don't have prompt, you want to generate everything all in one platform. You understand? You can come here and select AI text, and then you have OpenCC and all of these. You can use them literally for free. All right, so for me, let's say we want to, create our video, because that's the reason why we are here. Create our video, and we want to use Seedance 2.0, we want to use Seedance 1.0, any of this model we want to use. Grok AI, I have Grok AI uses text to video, image to video, text to image, right? Text to video, text to image to image, extend. But Seedance gives you access to just image to video. So you can try it out yourself. And let me know how this thing is working for you over there, right? So for me, I'm going to use text to video. I'm going to paste a simple prompt for us to see the output. After pasting your prompt, go ahead and select your aspect ratio and leave it at normal, okay? Leave it at 480p. Please leave it at that. And then let's go ahead and hit run. Now, when you hit run, you'll be required to sign in. right? So I'm going to go ahead and select my email and hit that run. Let's see if you are going to have access to it. Great. So you can see here it is generating. So it is literally free. So use it, guys. And then this is, I mean, one of the best platforms so far. And let me know what you think about this in the comment section of this video. Result of this platform, right? Let's see the quality of the video here. So I'll play it for you.
Class, what does history teach us about leadership? That it's about power?
No, it's about compassion.
Great leaders serve others.
All right. So the next platform is the dollar platform. Okay. Dollar platform. This is not accessible in all countries, but if this is available in your country, please use it because it gives you 5 video generation every single day. Every time you log in, it gives you 5 video. And I mean, if you ask me, I would say this is one of the best free AI platform because it renews every day. Every day you have access to 5 videos, right? You select your video, right? And then paste your prompt. If you have a reference character, I already made videos, so now you can attach reference character and you even use your own preferred images, right? I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video so they can have access to it. If you have a reference image, like I said, you can add it here. Seedance 2.0 fast. Click on it. You want to see 1.0 fast and then 2.0 fast. Then so this gives you access to generate up to 10 seconds long video, right? And then this is aspect ratio 16:9, and then go ahead and hit generate, right? And then let's watch what is going to happen. And see, it's going to use this, and we have to wait for 35 minutes for our video to be generated.
The most important lessons aren't in textbooks. They're in the courage to try, the strength to fail, and the resilience to rise again, stronger than before.
This is the dollar video, okay? We want to remove this watermark because it can be annoying and literally frustrating. Okay, so guys, let's go ahead and download this video first before we can remove the watermark. So the video is here. I'm going to head over to this platform. I'm still going to leave the link in the description of this video, okay? Now, this is the image that I removed watermark. You can see there's no watermark. I generated this using dollar platform and the watermark is gone. So we are going to remove the watermark, okay? Now, once you sign up, okay, to this platform, now this platform can use temporary email, okay? Now look at here. This is my temporary email account, okay? Now, once you open this platform, you'll be given over 65 free credits, okay? For now, I've used some, so I have 59 credits. So every removal will cost you 6 credits. Let's see how it's going to happen. Now, look at here. You want to see upload image. Once you come here, see mark remover, remove text, remove audio. So for us, we are removing mark, okay? Upload your video. Click on that and it will take you into your folder where you have your video that you want to, like, from any platform. All right, so let's move from this dollar website. Yes, this is dollar website. I'm going to click on it and it will be okay uploaded to this platform and it will start analyzing. Now, this is just one way you can remove the watermark, okay? I will see my research to know more ways we can remove watermarks on dollar videos, okay? Now, once we exhaust the credits here, I log out and log in again with a different email. Keep generating temporary email so that I can keep using that platform to generate. Do you understand? Beautiful. So the video is here, right? So once it's here, click on here, go to 6 credits. So this is what is going to cost us to remove this. And we already have something already remaining, right? So I'm going to start processing. So our video is here. See, there's no watermark again. So click on it and save video as, okay? And it will be saved into your mobile phone or your folder as MP4 video. Guys, until then, see you in the next one.